Ho, shut the f up.
In dating and leisure circles, a unicorn is referred to as a mythical lover imagined in your mind, too delightful and perfect to exist in real life. The slang term parallels the common conception of the unicorn, or one-horned horse or rhinoceros, as a purely fictional animal. But can we be sure? The first writings on unicorns were recorded in Greek natural history, not myth. Unicorn spotting was popular in the Middle Ages. Here are 5 intriguing caught-on-camera unicorns of unknowable veracity. Let's begin. Number 5. The Uzbekistan Wonder Bull. The Greeks didn't envision the earthly unicorn as we do, or as any type of dainty, pure white flying Pegasus. Instead, Aristotle referred to the unicorn as a type of one-horned antelope. Like most other Greek philosophers and scientists, Aristotle saw India as the natural habitat of these strange beasts. This documentary footage, shot in Uzbekistan in Central Asia, shows a type of bull with a prominent devilish center horn shaped like that of a storybook unicorn. The eyewitnesses pull the horn and demonstrate that it's no plastic prop, but the goatish, satanic-looking beast is nothing like our modern-day coloring book conception of a unicorn. It's much more like what the Greeks thought were hiding in the wilds of Asia. Number 4. It's not a scary door, it's a scary house. Released in May 2016, this footage of a possible real-life unicorn more closely matches the fairy tale version accepted in modern society. It stands as a horse does and is much more majestic than any bull or antelope. But the YouTube user The Scary Door, responsible for displaying the footage, drew immediate derision from viewers, probably due to the blatant self-promotion of their investigative video clip channel. However, the footage being taken from another documentary is probably a good thing. Somebody shot it and they weren't sitting in an office thinking up spooky slogans, so take the footage as it is. Who's to say such a creature can exist on our strange planet? Number 3. The lighter, demigod side of equestrian. It seems that not all unicorns feel the need to hide out in the mountains, only posing for occasional blurry shots or demonstrations. At the 2012 Northern Maryland Maypole celebration, a resort and retreat for hippies, spiritualists, and Native Americans, something you don't see every day happened. A good fairy arrived, riding a unicorn. By which magical process the royal nymph either discovered or turned her loyal white horse into a unicorn is unknown. But not only does it look genuinely one-horned and silky graceful, this unicorn is much more cooperative and caring for children than any wild tales of Pegasus resisting the reins of Perseus would lead us to believe. Number 2. If you can't find them, make them. California newspapers were shocked in 1980 to receive photographs of a unicorn with a foot-long appendage being raised on a local farm. The breeders Morning Glory and Otter Gazelle had bred their own real-life unicorn. They named it Lancelot, by the way. Although their achievement wasn't actually anything new. As early as the 1930s, such real-life, if man-made unicorns had been performing in the circus, the Barnum and Bailey Circus to be exact. Eyewitnesses described Lancelot as purely medieval, cloven hooves, a silk tail, and a golden horn. His popularity led Glory and Gazelle to continue to breed genuine, elegant unicorns. Number 1. Those North Koreans. Wait. Those who paid attention to politics over the past year have seen how the media's exuberance can be its undoing. This gleeful news footage recently appeared on cable to shame our friends from North Korea for claiming to have found a unicorn lair near a government capital. Now, it's true that if a North Korean leader goes bowling, his score is reported in the news as a perfect 300. Dictators lie a lot. But this time, the giggling Western press got it wrong. What North Korean scientists actually claim to have found are the remains of a Kareen, a mythological chimera-like animal with the features of a horse, cow, and a one-horned goat. The beast was said to be legendary Korean King Dongmyong's favorite method of transportation. And there, you have 5 unicorns caught on camera and spotted in real life. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like and share it, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below to get notified almost every single day with new videos from Top 5's finest. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we are out.